Hi, welcome to another training session for our brand new 18V grinders. My name is Norbert Knapp and with me in the studio Dino Oberle, our product trainer.
Yes, hello, and also very warm welcome from my side.
Dino, today we are talking about the UniversalGrind 18V-75 and AdvancedGrind 18V-80. In general, Dino, to be honest, it's not a standard application for the user at home. And it seems to be a bit dangerous. Especially for Bosch, it's very important to do your work with safety, protection, and also with a high level of comfort. What do you think?
Yeah, that's right. The respectful use, of course, is very important when you're using tools in general. But here you see also this very fast changeable protection hood. So that means you can protect yourself by changing the position of this protection hood very fast. And of course, of this small handle and here of this second handle in the front, you have a very good guidance of the tool. And in combination of this very powerful engine, which is comparable with a 750 or 800 watt engine of the corded versions, it's very safe and very easy to use.
Yeah, thanks, Dino. Top arguments for our 18V tools. Dino, in the point of view of the user, it's a very dangerous tool because we are not only talking about grinding or sanding, we are also talking about cutting. How can we refute this statement as that the application itself is very dangerous?
Yes, as I said, of course, the very powerful engine and the slim housing, you can work very easy, especially by grinding, but of course by cutting, you have another protection. And that's the reason why in the delivery we have this special protection guard. And I can show you how we can protect this now better. So I'll change now here this grinding disc against the cutting disc. And put on now this special protection guard for cutting. And now you see you have here an additional protection in the front. And yes, I can show it to you.
Yeah.
And for that, of course, the protection of yourself is very important to protect your eyes, your ears. And when there's a lot of dust, of course, it would be also important to wear these masks. And now we'll cut here a little bit. As an additional protection, we have also the restart protection in the tool. That means because it stops because of an ECP system, because it remembers an overloading or a deep charge of the battery, the tool stops. And you cannot switch it on again before you don't switch it off and on. I will show it to you. If I switch it now on, put off the battery, then you see, of course, the tool stops. Put the battery on, and the tool doesn't start again. First, you have to switch it off, and then you can switch it on again. Also, in addition, we have here the AdvancedGrind 18V-80, and here we have also an electronic speed control. That means that you can variable the speed for other applications and other works you are doing. You have here the anti-vibration handle that you can work very long and very easy with the tool, and also this fast changing nut, and perhaps you will show it to us.
Yeah, thanks. I will do.
And change it to the next application. I will show it to you.
Mm-hmm. Always think about it to remove the battery first. In this case, it's all good.
Yeah, thanks, Norbert. And now you can see it's very powerful also for grinding works.
Yeah, thanks, Dino. Really impressive, to be honest. Dino, another highlight is that both tools are 18V tools. That means part of the Power for All Alliance, 18V, and part of the 18V battery system from Bosch. In using this tool, it's a really tough application. What would you recommend to use?
Yes, as I said, you can use, of course, all our 18-volt batteries of the Power for All Alliance. But I would recommend, if you need a full power of the tool, take a battery which has minimum 4 ampere hours. So for standard applications, of course, it's enough to take the 2.5 ampere hours, you know it from our drill drivers or from our impact drivers. But if you really want the full power, then take minimum 4 ampere hours. And of course, we have integrated here the Xenon technology. That means that you have a very long runtime per battery charge.
Yeah, Dino, let's summarize a bit. It's a really comfortable tool, easy to use tool, more of that, a really powerful tool with a high level of protection. And we have a tool compatible with the Power for All Alliance and with the Power for All battery system from Bosch. If you would like to have now some more information about the products, about the warranty, about the spare parts order, or about my Bosch, then visit our webpage bosch-diy.com. If you would like to have more information, more tutorials with our product expert Dino, then visit our YouTube channel and subscribe also here.
Yes, goodbye and see you next time.
Yeah, bye-bye.